The FLEXiO 890 sprayer is ideal for interior walls and fine finishing projects, but is still flexible enough for outdoor jobs. The integrated spray controls let you adjust the material volume, spray width, and spray shape to achieve the best results for any project. Before starting your project, it's important to practice and get familiar with the sprayer. A spray poster is provided as a reference guide, so you can adjust the size and pattern of the spray while you get comfortable with it. To get started, first turn on the X-Boost power box. Then flip the switch on the handle. The handle switch is important because the turbine will not run until it's turned on, and it allows you to shut it off without going back to the power box. Then pull back on the trigger completely to start spraying. Make sure the turbine is always on before pulling the trigger. Hold the sprayer 6 to 8 inches away from the surface as you begin to spray. Remember to keep your arm straight as you spray and move in a direction parallel to the surface. Bending your wrists or slowing your pace tends to leave too much paint in one spot. The FLEXiO 890 is equipped with variable speed air power control. The lower settings are for thinner materials, such as stains and sealers, and the higher settings are for heavy materials, such as enamels, primers, and latex. If your surface area is larger, overlapping each spray pass by 50% will ensure full coverage. The adjustment ring on your FLEXiO 890 sprayer determines the width and shape of the spray pattern. To spray up and down along the surface, select a horizontal spray pattern. For side-to-side spraying, select a vertical pattern. And the red spray switch can select between a narrow or a wide pattern. If your surface is smaller, such as a corner or spindle, a lower material flow and narrower pattern on the sprayer works best. Adjusting the air power can help you get the finish you're looking for with both the iSpray and detail finish nozzle. The higher the air power, the smoother the finish you'll get. With thin materials such as stain, air power set too high can cause paint runs. It can also lead to increased overspray. When you take a break, turn the turbine off at the handle and place the handle onto the resting post. It's also a good idea to wipe the tip periodically or when you take a break. Dried paint will disrupt your spray pattern. Because the FLEXiO 890 puts the weight of the turbine on the ground, you can take on longer projects with ease, like trim work or large rooms. When spraying a wood surface, spray with the grain of the wood for best results. When spraying an interior wall, start by cutting in the corners, along the ceiling and floor. Then fill in going up and down. This will give you an even finish without streaks. And thanks to the patented lock-and-go design, you can change colors or materials in a flash with a twist and release of the cup. This also makes cleanup simple.